So we are going to go take a look at this house right here. Beautiful curb appeal. They did a really good job matching the brick to the stone. It looks great. Now notice there is no driveway yet. That's because this has been used as a model home and it's about to go for sale. So they are going to bust all this out and create a driveway before it actually goes on the market. And usually what they do is they actually use the garage as the sales office. And this one, they've already converted it to the garage. So we won't be able to see them working it as a sales office, but just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like. I love this hallway. Plenty of space for decorating. All right, let's go take a look. All right, this house can be yours. Let's take a look at it. Beautiful trim work right when you walk in. Entryway, accent wall all the way down. We'll go take a look down there in a minute. Right now, we're going to look at these 2 bedrooms at the front of the house. Nice big window, lots of natural lighting in this room. It looks like it's 10 by 11. So not a big room, but decent. You have a decent sized closet. It goes the entire length of this area here. I'll scoot back so you can see. It's the entire length. It goes behind there, just a small door opening. These 2 bedrooms share a bathroom right here between them. We'll go take a look at that in a minute. One thing to note, a lot of people, when they show their house for sale, they take window screens off because it makes it look brighter, nicer, and cleaner inside. And also on new construction homes, a lot of times they do not come standard with window blinds. So you'll notice that there are no blinds there. This is going to be the secondary bathroom. I do like the feature. They took the tile all the way up. Sometimes the tile kind of stops before it goes up and you'll see sheetrock, but they did take it very, very high, so you don't have to worry about water damage there. Here's another secondary bedroom, about the same size as the last one. This one actually appears to be 10 by 10. And another decent sized closet. All right. This is a 4 bedroom, so we're going to go take a look at the 3rd guest room here in a minute. It's this one right here. It's already painted a very nice subtle blue. Beautiful color. Again, same size closet as before. This room is a little bigger, maybe 11 by 11. See the size of the closet. Again, no blinds or screens. Here is the laundry area. This one does come with the washer and dryer, and it's already painted with an accent wall. This one has luxury vinyl, but this is the glue down, not the floating. So you can see some imperfections in the flooring there. If you're trying to decide which kind of flooring to put in, I advise against the glue down, just because if there are any issues or imperfections in your foundation, you can see it through the floor. That's your dining room area. So they took this window trim from the entry all the way through the house. That's your dining room, the front door, entryway, and then dining room, and then here's the living room. So they carried it all the way through. Here's another angle of the living room, lots of windows. There is a covered back porch here. Very nice kitchen with an island. You have a corner pantry over there, so it's going to be bigger than your average pantry. Tons of cabinets, countertop space. And I do like this stove. I like that a lot. So you're going to have your 4 burners plus the extra in there middle, and then you have the double oven with it, which is nice. Let's take a look at the pantry. Yeah, big corner pantry, so you're going to have lots of storage in here. And it also comes with the refrigerator. So the washer, dryer, and refrigerator are included. Another thing is you do see a cabinet above the fridge. They do not always come with that, so that's a nice little addition. All right, let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Here we are. Oh, a nice accent wall already painted. They already have the outlet up there to make it easy to watch TV in here. Double doors going into the primary bathroom. And look at this nice bay window. They've extended the bedroom out by about 3 feet, giving you extra space here. You can have a little sitting area if you wanted, or you can put a bassinet there for a nursery. Lots of different things you can do. Big room. Double vanities here. You have a linen closet. A stand-up shower. And it is a little bit bigger than the normal 3x3. It does give you a little extra space. And then you have the soaking tub here. Big, nice walk-in closet. Tons of room. You have little shelves here as well. And then there's a water closet. Let's go take a look at the water closet. So that's going to give you added privacy in here. Plenty of room to put a cabinet if you wanted. Extra storage in there. But you also have the double vanity and the double cabinets here. And that big, huge closet. Let's go take a look out here. So you have this nice covered back patio. And remember, we're here in Texas on the Gulf, so we do have to follow windstorm rules. And the reason why I mention that is because you will see these pegs here on all the windows. I'm going to zoom in and show you a better angle. And in the garage, I will show you what the windstorm shutters look like. But you're going to get windstorm shutters. You already have the pegs. All you have to do is slide the shutters on and then use a washer and a wing nut to close them. And that will just secure the windows for you in the event that we have a hurricane scare. It's a nice oversized patio too, and you have a gas stub out right there. So if you wanted to put a gas grill out here, you could. You have a friendly neighbor fence all the way around. That's what they call it when you see that friendly neighbor fence, because half of it's yours and half of it's there. So they expect that you're supposed to own and fix the pretty side facing you, and then the neighbor is supposed to own and fix the pretty side facing them. Just be nice. Go halfsies. That's my recommendation. You will see that the fence ends right here right now, but they are going to finish it and put a connecting fence here to finish fencing off the rest of the property. So that will be taken care of. All right. I'm curious to know what you guys think. Let's go take a look at the garage. Sorry, I know I'm a little bumpy. Here we go. It's a traditional garage. You will see the irrigation system over there. Here are the hurricane shutters I was telling you about. So I'll zoom in and show you. You will see these holes here. These just go vertically on the window, and those holes go right over those pegs we saw sticking out. And then here's the washers and wing nuts. They come with it. And they just layer right on top of each other. Those are for the big windows, like in that front room, the 3 windows in a row. And you just layer them right up. One person can do it by themselves. They've made it very easy. And then your windows are blocked off in case of a hurricane. That's going to be the water shut off to the house right there. Comes with a garage door opener. I am not going to go up in the attic, but it does have amazing ductwork. It is decked out in case you wanted to use it for storage. And that's where the hot water heater and air conditioner is as well. I hope you've enjoyed the tour and let me know what you think. Have a good day.